Hi boys and girls, today we are going to be talking about a chunk in a word. So I have two letters here and this is the chunk I'm going to be talking about. These two letters make two different sounds. If you can tell me one, awesome. But if not, we're gonna learn today. So what are the sounds that these two letters make together? Good, so they make O and ow. So they make those two sounds, but the tricky thing is, I'm not aware of anything that tells us when they make that sound. So when we're reading and we come across an OW, you know it makes two different sounds. But you're gonna have to think in your head, okay, would it make sense to say O in the word, or would it make sense to say ow? So I'm going to give you examples of different words that I have. And you're going to have to tell me, does it make sense to say O or ow? We're going to practice reading. Also, with spelling, it's a little bit easier because you'll be able to hear it. Like, for example, if I said how, you could hear that it makes the ow sound, and you're going to know that it's an OW. And then the beginning letter would be what? For how. Makes the so it would be an H-O-W. So the first word that I'm going to put I want you to tell me what the O-W sound makes. So first try O, and then if that doesn't make sense, try ow. So first I'm going to try O. Sn-o. That makes sense. I know that there's a word that sounds like that. Snow, that's a real word. Let me try it the other way just to make sure it's not another way. Sn-ow. Snow? That's not a word, so it probably was snow. Snow, like the snow that falls from the ground. From the sky, sorry. Let's see. Here's another word. So tell me if it's an O sound or an ow sound. Let's see. I'm gonna try the O sound first. Plow. Plow. That doesn't really sound like a word that I know, so I'm gonna try the ow sound. Plow. That makes sense. I've heard of plows. They plow different things like snow and other various things on the ground. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so first I'm gonna try O sound, and if that doesn't sound right, I'm gonna try the ow sound. So, sh-o. Show? That makes sense. Show, like the show that you watch on TV, a TV show. So I'm not even gonna try the ow because it makes sense as show. Okay, so remember what two sounds O-W make together. What two sounds do they make? O-W. When you see an O-W, what are you gonna try? O and ow. And remember, boys and girls, if you're reading and you come across this sound, well, these two letters, first try O, and if it doesn't make sense, then try ow. And I'm sure it'll make sense then. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.